Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy new coins on Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified, as this is a crucial step for participation. Navigate to the Binance Launchpad section, which is the exclusive portal for new token sales. Here, you will find upcoming projects and their subscription details. Prepare to commit your BNB tokens during the subscription period to secure an allocation. To find new coin sales, regularly check the Binance Launchpad page for announcements. Each project will have detailed information, including its white paper and tokenomics, which are essential to review. Pay close attention to the subscription period and the calculation method for your allocation, which typically depends on your average BNB holdings over a specified number of days. This ensures you understand the commitment required. During the subscription phase, you must commit your BNB tokens to participate in the new coin sale. Binance will then calculate your final token allocation based on the amount of BNB you committed and the total BNB committed by all participants. After the calculation period, the new tokens will be distributed directly to your Binance Spot wallet, and any uncommitted BNB will be returned. Remember that investing in new cryptocurrencies, especially through initial offerings, involves substantial risk. The market can be highly volatile, and prices may fluctuate dramatically. Always conduct your own thorough research and only invest capital you are entirely prepared to lose. Also, for comfort that lasts, check out the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals in the description below. They offer a lifetime warranty, which is pretty amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.